Hello, my name is Sarah Moore, and I am the Executive Director of the 501c3 nonprofit Colorado Dragon Boat. We bring you the Colorado Dragon Boat Festival, the Colorado Dragon Film Festival, and the AAPI Emerging Leaders Program. What is the work or project I have done that I am most proud of and why? Recently, the project I am most proud of is our first ever Colorado Dragon Boat Festival virtual experience. Due to COVID-19, we had to come up with a new way to continue our mission of celebrating the amazing accomplishments of Colorado's Pan-Asian communities. We were so lucky to have all of our amazing performers and partners support us during this first time event. The event happened on the first weekend in October, and it was a great success. However, pre-COVID, the accomplishment I am most proud of is the fact that the Colorado Dragon Boat Festival is the largest dragon boat festival and Asian celebration in the USA. And in 2019, we were the largest dragon boat festival and Asian celebration in all of North America. Who is an artist or designer I admire most and why? I don't have just one artist or designer that I admire most. I admire all the artists and performers who are involved in the Colorado Dragon Boat Festival and the Colorado Dragon Film Festival. All these individuals inspire the masses of people with their creativity, talent, and passion. We have over 100 performers and artists associated with our events each year. And each year, I learn something new. Their dedication to diversity and inclusivity is contagious and inspiring. What do you like about the Denver creative community, and do you have any suggestions for how the community can be more inclusive? What I like most about the community is how inclusive it is. Now, we do have a long ways to go when it comes to diversity, equity, and inclusivity, but I do love seeing the passion and dedication of the community members to ensure that we're going in the right direction. I think providing events such as the Colorado Dragon Boat Festival is a great way to help the community become more inclusive. We are a free festival that is meant for the whole family. People who come to our events leave knowing that they have supported DEI in our community. Having more events and opportunities like this is a great way to ensure inclusivity in Denver.